Hello, my name is Gaëtan Rusquet. I'm one of the artists invited for Attention in Impulstanz with the project installation performance Meanwhile in the Hofstallungen in the MUMOC. So Meanwhile is a performance with 3 performers on stage or in the space and one musician or sound artist using all the sound and the concrete sound too with some vibrators under table. Maybe I have to explain a bit the set. We have some tables that create kind of space where we built and rebuilt some constructions, landscapes at different scales. The bricks are in the material that is used to isolate the houses, some foam, green, and used by the architect to do fast models of little plans and buildings, architecture used. So basically this project is about body and architecture and how it's related with disaster and how the body is at first not involved in the destruction by a play of scales with some kind of model, architectural models, and in the second time fully involved with construction at the scale 1. I'm coming from visual arts, art supply at the start linked with stage design and really globally with some studies about space before going in architecture or landscape design or stuff like this. Then I moved slowly in performance at the end of my studies, and this is the first project that I'm doing with other people that I involved in my work. And I'm super happy about that, to work with different artists that are between different the different fields of work. The sound work is done half by some subwoofer infrabasses in the space, outside of the space, inside of the space, and by some vibrators under tables that can make the constructions falling down. Wall is we tried to find an organic way to build the wall, as it is something that could continue to be built, like that is still in progress during the performance. So it is not just one wall between 2 lines, but some kind of wall that is starting to grow and move in the space. Even if it's a sculptural work, so it's super great to be close, far, or turning around, to just have all the volumes. And so in the durational one in January, I'm really looking forward to have the time to do it for people walking around and just I hope they will have the patience to stay and to really have the experience of the work and the labor and the time that is passing, because this is the fact that it's a kind of spectacular form. Then I can use the fact that it's boring sometimes, the fact that it's hard work, it's long to build a wall, and then it's a part of the project to experience that until the destruction. I started to work with this, with the foam and the wood, and I was super happy with the way it was reacting, because the material is totally fake, but in the same time it's speaking about how architects works, because it's the same materials to just create pattern and shape really fast make sketches really fast. So it makes sense that I was like, okay, I keep this. It's accurate for the project. And the color is with the alchemist. The light is this green is super strange, and I like this material. In the next project, now I know that I would like to continue to work with other peoples, but I'm searching maybe it will be about the party, but how to deconstruct it, deconstruct
The party.
Yeah, and the jobs in the party is just how to transform them, play with them, and how to find new ways of doing doing the fiesta.